It has never been more important for our brothers and sisters who are poor, undocumented, or displaced to have access to attorneys who can enforce and defend their rights, articulate their claims and defenses, and advocate their cause. Because legal services provide the legal infrastructure, the training, the advice, and the community education that help the vast majority of Massachusetts residents, many more than the poor they represent, to understand, enforce, and defend their rights. With requests for help from immigrants who seek to become naturalized citizens, who fear the loss of their work permits, their housing, and their access to education. The anger and frustration arising from persistent unemployment or being vented on abused spouses and children. The working poor and elderly whose health care may be put at risk. More persons are losing their homes to foreclosure and their apartments to eviction. Veterans are still serving in foreign wars and leaving military service with a variety of legal issues that are made more difficult by the PTSD and traumatic brain injuries that they suffered in protecting our nation. What kind of a Commonwealth would we be if we did not protect the rights of those in need by providing them with adequate legal services? Because legal services ensure that the promise of justice for all is more than a promise. What is it worth to have a Commonwealth where the poor, the vulnerable, and the challenged can obtain the legal representation they need? Tell them that that fight will cost just $23 million, which is roughly what the Red Sox are paying Hanley Ramirez this year. With 6.86 million residents in this Commonwealth, that comes to $3.79 per person. That is less than the price of one Beyond Sausage breakfast sandwich at Dunkin' Donuts. It turns out that it will buy you a cup of coffee or a cup of hot chocolate, but it will not buy you a latte. When you speak to these legislators, your job is simply to reinforce their understanding of what civil legal services do for the constituents that they sincerely want to help, and to remind them that funding legal services is not only the right thing to do, it is the smart thing to do. We are fortunate to have leaders in our legislature who understand the challenges we will face, who are committed to protecting the rights of every Massachusetts resident. Thank you all for helping our legislators demonstrate the greatness of this Commonwealth by empowering our most vulnerable residents through the advocacy of civil legal aid. You speak not only for yourselves, but for all those who have neither money nor power, but who might have the law on their side, if only they knew how to use it. Feel their hands on your shoulder. Speak their truth. Thank you all for your support and for your work on behalf of equal justice. Thank you so much.